Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if I had to pick only one kitchen appliance for this very tiny kitchen, this would definitely be it. This Instant Pot Pro Crisp air fryer is going to do everything that your typical Instant Pot does with so many more functions. I made nachos the other night and they were really delicious. I just layered in the chips, sprinkled on some shredded cheese, and put the leftover taco meat cold from the fridge on top and put it on bake, and they came out perfectly. I didn't have to take out any other pots and pans or sheet trays or anything like that. Then my sweet tooth kicked in and I wanted to make some flourless cookies, which were really easy to make, and I was able to have peanut butter oatmeal flourless cookies in just a couple minutes. I love that it's really compact. Sometimes air fryers can take up a lot of space on your counter. Now you have your air fryer and pressure cooker in one, taking up just the space of a pressure cooker. So if you're looking for one appliance to replace many appliances in your kitchen, or even if you don't have a full kitchen and you just need one appliance to do everything for you, this is the way to go. And that's my point of view.